Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another edition of Binary Life, a channel that teaches new developers how to code by solving algorithm challenge so that you can see how the thinking process is done and how the solutions come to life. Today, we'll solve another 7Q, categorize new member. This is simple. As I read the exercise, I just launched the camera because it's a very simple one. Now, let's read. The Western Suburbs Croquet Club. That's a sport club, maybe. Has two categories of membership. We have senior and open. They would like to help with an application form that will tell prospective members in which category they can be placed. To be a senior, a member must have at least 55 years and have a handicap greater than 7. In this croquet club, handicaps range from -2 to +26. The better the player, the lower the handicap. So we're given an input like this, which is made up of pairs of arrays. That is what is said here. Inputs consists of list of pairs. Each pair contains information for a single potential member. Information consists of an integer for the age and another integer for the handicap. So this is the age of the first person and the handicap is 20. So what did we say? It said for you to be open. No, for you to be old, sorry. For you to be senior, if you wish. It must be 55 of age and the handicap superior to 7. So here he's 18, so he's open. Here he's 45, he's open. Here he's 61, that is greater than 55. So we check the second one. The second one, is it greater than 7 years? That's what he's senior. That's it. So let's train on this scatter. It's loading our code editor, and I'm going to copy this part here so that it's going to guide us through the comment section. I'm going to copy this part and come to full screen here and increase again the size so that you can see better, and then copy this here so that we can have the exercise here in our face. All right. So this is our data. We have to look through the data, and every data is made up of a pair. That's it. There are many ways to loop. What I'm thinking, which one will I loop? Maybe I can use for off or for in, or for each. I'm going to use the for each. So inside the data, first of all, I'm going to put our we have an output here. I'm going to create an output array that is empty in the beginning. And then I'm going to look through the data. So for each pair of data, what are we going to do with the pair? We're going to check if the first part of the pair is senior. In fact, we're going to check if the first part of the pair is this one. If it's greater than 55, then the senior age. If it's greater than 55, let's just put it like that. And here. And if the second part of the pair is greater than 7, right? If that's the case, and then we are going to push into our output that is senior. Else is open. Yep. No, sorry. Else will push open, and then we're going to return at the end of the day our output. I think that's very simple. We look through the pair using the for each, and then we take the first part and compare to the senior age, and take the second part and compare to the handicap number, and then if the two match, it's a senior. If not, it's open for the club. And I can put our normal semicolons here, which is not obligatory in JavaScript. and then I'm going to snap out of the full-time screen and let's check our solution. So I'm going to test. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? So we have open senior. We got something wrong. Let's check. This was supposed to be, it must be at least 55. When they say at least, it means 55 is inclusive. I can add the equal sign here. And have to be greater than 7. That's what it's already there. Let's check again. Right, that's it. And let's run the final test here and submit. Right, I think that's pretty senior. This is using one-liner and using a map. A map will replace basically the original array. That's it. This is the member. 0 member. This is for this is a for each. Yes, it's created it's like a for each loop. It's created the mapping function apart and then using it inside the map. It's practically the same like this one. Yep. This is our solution here. Most people just did it like this. Right, I'm going to stop. Everything is about the same. This challenge is simple. It's just to show you how to loop. I think that's basically it. So I'm going to stop here and don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video for another coding challenge. Thanks for watching.